Good morning, students. So, today we are going to start our new lesson, lesson 6 time. First of all, tell me what is this? Yes, it is a clock. It is a wall clock. What is the use of a clock? Yes, a clock is used to read the time. If we want to know what is the time, we can know the time by looking in the clock. With the help of a clock, we can know the time. Students, you can see in this clock, there are two hands. One is bigger hand and one is shorter hand. Again, you can see some numbers are there in the clock. Read the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. आपको 12 नंबर्स दिख रहे हैं और आपको 2 हैंड्स दिख रहे हैं. ओके, जब आप नंबर 1 से लेके 2 में देखते हैं तो यू कैन सी 5 डिविजन्स आर देयर बिटवीन 1 एंड 2. सेम डिविजन्स यू कैन सी बिटवीन 2 एंड 3, 3 एंड 4, 4 एंड 5, 5 एंड 6, 6 and 7, 7 and 8, 8 and 9, 9 and 10, 10 and 11, 11 and 12. So between any two numbers you can see 5 divisions are there. So these divisions they are minutes. So between 1 and 2 we can see there are 5 minutes between 1 and 2. Between 2 and 3 again 5 minutes. Between 3 and 4 again 5 minutes. 4 and 5 again 5 minutes. 5 and 6 again 5 minutes. 6 and 7 again 5 minutes. 7 and 8 again 5 minutes. 8 and 9 5 minutes. 9 and 10 5 minutes. 10 and 11 5 minutes. 11 and 12 5 minutes. So we can see between any two consecutive numbers there are 5 minutes. So total, when a minute hand moves from 12 and again when it come back to 12, the minute hand has to cover total 60 minutes. Okay, so here you can see there are two hands, one bigger hand and one shorter hand. Then you can see 12 numbers are there in the clock. और दो कॉन्सिक्यूटिव नंबर्स के बीच में कितने मिनट्स होते हैं? 5 minutes. We will learn all this one by one. So the shorter hand which is at 5, जो छोटा वाला हैंड है जो 5 पर है, that is known as hour hand. Learn the spelling HOUR, hour hand. The shorter hand of the clock is known as hour hand. अभी hour hand कहाँ पर है? At 5. Okay. And the longer hand, bigger hand which is at 12 is known as minute hand. Spelling of minute MINUTE. So you can see there are two hands, one longer hand that is known as minute hand and one shorter hand that is known as hour hand. Now you can see what is the time in this clock. Read the time which is given in this clock. Yes, it is 5 o'clock. When the minute hand is at 12 and the hour hand is at 5, the time is 5 o'clock. एक मिनट में कितने सेकंड्स होते हैं? In a minute there are 60 seconds. In 1 minute there are 60 seconds. Okay, this thing we will learn one after another. So 60 seconds make a minute. In a minute there are 60 seconds and 12 minutes make 1 and 60 minutes make 1 hour. In an hour there are total 60 minutes. एक मिनट में कितने सेकंड्स हैं? 60 सेकंड्स. और एक आवर में कितने मिनट्स हुए? 60 minutes. And in a day there are total 24 hours. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds, 1 hour equal to 60 minutes and 1 day equal to 24 hours. और 1 week में कितने days होते हैं? 7 days. Okay, learn this In a minute, there are 60 seconds. In an hour, there are 60 minutes. In a day, there are 24 hours. And in a week, there are 7 days. And in an year, total there are 365 days. And also, in an year, there are 12 months. So learn these points. In 1 minute, there are 60 seconds. In 1 hour, there are 60 minutes. In a day, there are 24 hours. In 1 week, there are 7 days. In 1 year, there are 365 days. And also in an year, there are total 12 months. This thing we will learn one by one. Now, read the time given in this clock. बताइए कितना बजा है? So students, learn this. When the minute hand is at 12, जब minute hand 12 पर होता है और hour hand जिस भी नंबर पर होगा उस समय वही टाइम होगा. In this clock you can see the minute hand is at 12 and the hour hand is at 3. So the time is, yes, the time is 3 o'clock. So learn it very well. इसको याद रखना, जब भी मिनट हैंड 12 पर होगा और आवर हैंड जिस भी नंबर पर होगा उतना उस समय का टाइम होगा. In this clock you can see minute hand is at 12 and hour hand is at 3. So the time is 3 o'clock. Now tell me the time. In this clock you can see the minute hand is at 12 and hour hand is at 7. So the time is, yes, it is 7 o'clock. Next. Now tell me the time. Read the time given in this clock. Both the hands, hour hand and minute hand, is at 12. So, when the both hands are at 12, the time is, yes, the time is 12 o'clock. So, students, try to learn the time. Try to learn how to read the time in the clock. We will meet in the next class. Till then, thank you.